Badass rig truck. That's the best machine, man, and can't nobody tell me different. Look, it's a Pipe Pro 400. You get one of these, you probably wouldn't have to buy another one. This machine welds like a dream. Yeah, old school got it going on, man. Look at the detail on everything. Got a badass setup. Really, really nice. He made his own bed and everything. Probably like 60 years old, still getting it. That's what's up, man. Looks healthy. Badass setup though. Got the Yeti. Got that Trump. It's a real rig truck. I ain't hating on him. Look at his setup. Badass setup. Bevel machines, everything. Pretty sure he worked on the pipeline. This setup is crazy. Preparing the tube. Came to do an emergency job real quick. Working side by side with a rig welder. Everybody want to be a welder till it's time to get down and dirty, baby. Down and dirty.
Yeah.
Y'all ready or what?
Yeah.
So look, I'm going downhill on stick. I'm fixing all the trash night shift left. They 60-10'd it, but look, I'm just running one pass downhill. Look how slick it looks. Look, this is what night shift left. Look, I'm gonna go over all that. That looks like shit. I mean, this looks all right here, but I don't know what the hell happened right here. But I'm gonna fix all that with one pass. Yeah. They're being picky. It's a membrane junk iron, but you'll see right now. I'll fix all that. One pass. Downhill. 150 amps. Look how much better it looks. Downhill. Just gotta clean all the buckshots and stuff, but look, no undercut. No porosity. Y'all saw how ugly it was on the first one. But nah, yeah. I'm gonna come back, fix all this shit. Look at all that undercut. I'm gonna fix all that. One pass. Yes, sir. Specialty ain't always pipe. Gotta get down and dirty sometimes. Welding a bunch of junk iron. That's what night shift left us. I'm gonna fix it all. Just one pass and done. I'm gonna fix all that. All that. I'm gonna have it looking like this. I'm gonna fix this too. Get paid by the hour. Fix all that junk iron. Yeah, they probably didn't know it was gonna get PT'd, but we'll get it right. So look, it ain't the best, but it looks a lot better than what it did. And that's all downhill. So what you do is you gotta turn the machine up 160, 1/8, real hot. Just junk iron. So that's why what's up? I'm gonna close this video out by saying that's why I recommend you taking a structural course and getting a structural job first, so you know the tricks of the trade. So I had to fix this. Day 2 of fixing everything. Yeah, downhill, 150 amps. Trust me, it's gonna pass PT. Don't look the best, but look at all this junk iron we're welding. Downhill, man, cleans everything up nice, no undercut. Just wire wheel it right now. Let them wire wheel it. Look, I already did that side. Ain't the best, but hey, whatever passes PT. Look at all this trash though. That's it. We're just trying to pass PT, make the company look good, and be over and done with it. Come on. But yeah, y'all get a structural job, man, because ain't a guy that just goes straight to pipe, he wouldn't have been able to figure this out. Yesterday, the dude was trying to uphill it. Didn't advance nothing. Yep.